Dear students and honorable viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. You know that because of COVID-19 epidemic, the regular flow of your studies has been greatly hampered. In order to compensate the great loss somewhat, Belabo Online School has taken a step to run online school activities. As a part of this step, I am Mohammad Alamgir, an assistant teacher of English. Devanachar Madhyamik Vidyalaya is here again before you to deliver my lecture. Dear students, today I am going to teach you English second paper, and my today's topic is the uses of the right forms of the verbs. Again I am declaring my today's classes topic, the right forms of the verbs. You will find the right forms of the verbs in your question paper 4 of English second paper. Am I clear? Dear students, can you tell me anyone what is the topic of our today's class? Okay, dear students, thank you. Our topic of today's class is right forms of the verbs. Right forms means correct forms. So, here you will have a text bearing 10 gaps. You will complete the following text with the right forms of the verbs given in the box. In the box, you will have 10 verbs. The verbs may have in correct or wrong form, but when you complete the blanks, taking verb from the box, you must write the correct or right form of the verbs. Am I clear? In order to do well in this topic, you must acquire knowledge on tense, voice, subject verb agreement, and some basic rules of the right forms of the verbs. Am I clear? Again I am saying to you, you must have knowledge on the uses of different types of tense, subject verb agreement, voice, and some of the basic rules of the right forms of the verbs. Am I clear? As you are the students of classes 9 or 10, I hope you have already gathered much knowledge on tense, subject verb agreement, voice, and you have learned also some of the basic rules of correct forms of the verbs. Am I clear? Okay, dear students, let's start our today's class on the correct forms of the verbs or the right forms of the verbs. Here is an article or a text, and there are 10 blanks or gaps for you. You will complete each of the blanks taking the correct form of the verb given in the box. Am I clear? Before answering question number 4, at first you will read silently once or twice the given text or article for your better understanding, and try to find out the tense. Try to find out the tense. In the text, you will find a clue to identify which tense here been used. Am I clear? So, let me start. At first I am reading out. So, dear students, please listen to me and try to guess. Edison never gave to school all education that he ever got. Here you will have or we see a verb got, that is the past form. So we may decide the article or text is from past tense. Am I clear? So when you will have an article or a text from past tense, most of the blanks will take the past form of the verbs. Am I clear? Okay, dear students, let's start. Edison never to school. School is an educational place. So Edison never, Edison কখনোই to school, বিদ্যালয়ে কি করে নাই? Dear students, try to guess. Edison never. Here we have a verb go, that means যাওয়া. As the text is in past mode or past tense, so here go will be went. Dear learners, have you understand? Sorry, have you understood? Here go will be went. Why? Because the article is from past or past mode. So Edison never went to school. The first answer is here went. Am I clear? Then all education that he ever got gave to him by his mother. Dear students, when you find any gap after get, got, gotten, you will write the past participle form of the verb. Past participle form of the verb. So again I am reading out the sentence. All education that he ever got. Education that he ever got or that he ever received to him by his mother. Who gave him? Who gave him? His mother. All education that he ever got gave to him. As we know that the gap after got, get or gotten, you will put here the past participle of the verb. So his mother gave him all education. So here we have gave is the present form of the verb. It will be here past participle. So give will be given. Why will you put here given? Again I am making it clear before you. When you will find any gap after get, got, gotten, you must write here the past participle form of the verb. Am I clear? Again I am saying past participle of the verb to him by his mother. Am I clear? Okay, dear learners, next. At the age of 12, he was put to. Here is another identifying mark, to. So dear students, when you will have a gap after to or in order to is an infinitive. An infinitive always takes the present form of the verb. So here you will write the present form of the verb. Now you will try to match the meaning or the verb form from the given box. He was put, তাকে রাখা হয়েছিল, to on a railway. Why? To work. To work. So here the verb work need not change. Why? As we know that after infinitive to, you must write B1 form of the verb or present form of the verb. So you need not change, work is here. Am I clear? Okay, dear students. Having a great deal to do with a newspaper, he gave to pick up the art of. He gave to pick up. সে সক্ষম হয়েছিল ম্যানেজ. Dear students, here is a verb that gives us meaning. His ability. Manage. But manage is present form. It will be past form. As we know that the text is in past mode. Am I clear? So when he managed in the past time, so manage will be here managed. Dear learners, have you understood? Okay. Managed to pick up the art of. Here of is a preposition. So, according to rules of the right forms of the verb, when you will have any gap after preposition, you will add ing at the end of the verb of present form. At the end of the verb of present form, you will add ing. So, pick up the art of. He became able to pick up, or he managed to pick up the art of paint. Art of paint. Here, paint. The present form of the verb is also paint. Now you will only add here ing. So it will be painting. Am I clear? And he printed a newspaper of his own name. Sorry for my mistake. The Weekly Herald. One day he gave a station master's child. One day, that means once. It also indicates past tense. So here you will write the past form of the verb. One day, what happened? One day he, a station master's child. সে কি করেছিল? স্টেশন মাস্টারের সন্তানকে বা শিশুকে বাঁচিয়েছিল, অর উদ্ধার করেছিল। নাও ট্রাই টু ফাইন্ড আউট দ্য ওয়ার্ড বাঁচানো অর উদ্ধার করা। হোয়াট ইজ দ্য ইংলিশ ওয়ার্ড? রেস্কিউ। থ্যাংক ইউ ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস। রেস্কিউ। সো হিয়ার রেস্কিউ উইল বি রেস্কিউড। RESQUCEED, not QCUED. RESCUED. Rescued a station master's child which was nearly gave over by a train. Here, a child or a station master child with relative pronoun. Suppose there is no relative pronoun. A station master child was nearly over by a train. একটি ট্রেনের দ্বারা স্টেশন মাস্টারের ছেলেটি বা সন্তানটি প্রায়, বাই হোম দ্য ওয়ার্ক বিনান কার দ্বারা কাজটা করা হয়েছিল? বাই আ ট্রেন। সো ইট ইজ টেকেন ফ্রম অর হ্যাজ বিন টেকেন ফ্রম passive voice. So here you will write the past participle form of the verb. As we know that run over, that means pisto hor. So here we have run according to the rules of voice or passive mode. It will be here run, ran, run. Run over by a train. Being pleased or being happy, the station master gave him how to use the telegram. স্টেশন মাস্টার তাকে শিক্ষা দিয়েছিল কিভাবে টেলিগ্রাফ ব্যবহার করতে হয়। সো শিক্ষা দেওয়া, দ্যাট মিনস টিচ, টিচ, বাট হেয়ার ইট উইল বি টট। When teaching in the past, the action happened in the past, so here it will be taught. Young Edison soon gave great skill at the telegraph. Young Edison, what did he do? সে কি করেছিল? Great skill, দক্ষতা, দক্ষতা সে কি করেছিল? অর্জন। So here অর্জন করা means acquire. So here acquire will be acquired. Sequired, acquired great skill at the telegraph. At 12 he gave a new telegraph. 12 বছর বয়সে, সরি, at 12, sorry, here 12 will be 20. I am extremely sorry for my writing mistake. At 20 he a new telegraph. 20 বছর বয়সে সে কি করেছিল? নতুন একটি টেলিগ্রাফ ইনভেন্ট অর আবিষ্কার করেছিল। সো হিয়ার we have a verb invent, that means to discover something new or to make something new, or কোনো কিছু আবিষ্কার করা। As at 20 he a new telegraph আবিষ্কার করেছিল। So here invent will be invented. Dear students, the first answer went, and then given, and then work, and then managed, and then painting, and then rescued, and then run, taught, acquired, and the last answer is invented. Am I clear? Dear students, I hope you have become benefited somewhat from my students class on the right forms of the verbs. Am I clear? I hope for your good health you will remain at home and stay safe. Am I clear? I hope you will practice the right forms of verbs at your home. Thank you, dear student. See you again. Goodbye.